Get ready with me as I do Carmendy's 5-minute face using all of her makeup from her makeup line, Carmendy Beauty. Carmendy, the makeup artist from What Not to Wear on TLC, she hosted a giveaway on her Instagram account, and she was giving away some of her makeup products, and I won. I was shocked. I could not believe that I actually won. And in the last video I posted, I showed you a haul of everything that she sent me, and I got so much more than I was expecting. I could not believe it. Like, I feel so lucky. And now I'm going to, as promised, do a tutorial using all the makeup that she sent me. And I'm going to be following the instructions from her book, The 5-Minute Face. So the giveaway that she hosted, the prize was everything you needed to create the perfect 5-minute face. The first step, I've already done my base makeup. So I have the Carmendy Beauty Lit From Within Daily Prep Primer, which you apply on after your moisturizer and sunscreen and before your foundation. And for that, I used Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer, and I mixed it with my e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter. I also put concealer just underneath my eyes, and I used the Hard Candy Glamouflage Pro Full Coverage Concealer, and it's a tad bit lighter than my foundation so that my under eyes look bright and it makes me look more refreshed and awake. And then I lightly dusted my face with Revolution's Translucent Baking Powder. 5-minute face. So Carmendy explains that the 5-minute face is for women who just have busy lives and don't have much time in the morning to get ready. So she came up with the 5-minute face as a way to enhance your best features and your natural beauty, so that way you can look fresh and look your best in a quick amount of time, in 5 minutes or less, and be ready to head out the door. Now that I have my base face on, I can now get started with the rest of my 5-minute face. So I'm going to start with the eyeshadow trio here, and I'm going to be using the lightest shade in the palette, and I'm going to be applying that in 3 spots. Those 3 spots are under the eyebrow, in the inner corners of the eyes, and on top of the cheekbones. So this is the lightest color in the trio, so let's sweep it on the eyebrow, like so, and then smudge a bit of it in the inner corners, like this. I'm going to use a fan brush to apply highlighter on my cheekbones, and this is Carmendy's favorite way to apply highlighter on your cheekbones, and so that's why I use this technique. I've been following all of Carmendy's beauty tips ever since I first watched her on What Not to Wear, and that is how I first started wearing makeup. I also decided to add just a tad bit of the same highlighter on the very center of my eyelids and blend it out just for a little extra brightness. Ooh, I'm looking good already. Next, I'm going to use the Eye Define eyeliner in the color Espresso. And to do this, you want to line as close to your lash line as possible. And then we're going to smudge it. And it has a very tiny point, so this should be very easy for precision. Yeah, the idea is to smudge the lash line as close to the roots as you can, because we want to make it look like your lashes are naturally full and not like drawn straight on. And draw in little dashes instead of drawing in one straight line, because it's a lot easier and you're less likely to make too many mistakes. Let's use this clean angled brush and smudge it out. Actually, I think I can do a little wing just with the brush. Ooh, there, that's, ooh, very pretty. Very nice. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply mascara. This mascara is really nice. It applies on nice and clean. It's not clumpy. I'm glad that this mascara is black because I always wear black mascara because Carmody says black mascara means less makeup but more impact. So mascara is done and I only used one coat of mascara because we're doing this for a 5-minute face, and so 5 minutes is... Eyes are finished, so now it's time for blush. So this is the Universal Love Blush. Let's see how pigmented this is. Ooh. Okay. Oh wow. So apply this blush on top of the apples of your cheeks. And by on top, I mean right here. And I'll also put a touch of it on my nose as well, just because I've always done that. I was a little nervous because of how orange it looked, because I usually go for pinks, but no, this actually looks really beautiful. I think this is going to be my go-to summer blush for 2024. Alright, and finally we are going to apply the lipstick, and this is Universal Love lipstick, and the shade is called Perfect Rose. I'm a little nervous now, but I trust Carmody, so... Okay. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, I knew that I didn't need to be afraid of anything. That is such a nice color. It looks exactly identical to my natural lip color. Okay, I only have one more step that I'm gonna do personally, and that's just fill in my brows. And there we have it. This is my 5-minute face inspired by Carmody, using all of her makeup from her Carmody Beauty makeup line. Now I'm looking refreshed, awake, and ready to take on whatever the day has for me. And don't forget to add a spritz of Carmody's Wonder Love fragrance before you head out the door. I just wanted to say a huge thank you to Carmody for sending me all of these amazing makeup products, and I feel so privileged to be able to make this video for you, and I really hope you liked it.